Hello, hello, and welcome to my live stream. I'm Susie Valentine. Thank you so much for joining me. And how is everybody's day going so far? So far, so good for me. So thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate you all. And today we are going to be talking about an array of products from kitchen to bedroom and even some automotive too. So if you're not already following my channel, make sure to click that follow button so you can see when I go live. Now let's begin. The first item that I want to showcase is something that everybody should have in their kitchen, and it is this splatter screen. Thank you, Birdcotch, for sending this to me. And this is a 13-inch in diameter screen, and this is great for frying oil. So it also has these feet right here, so it can rest on your counter a little bit lifted above your countertop, which is a real plus. It also has a handle here and also a hole so you can hang it up also. Perfect. And very simple to use when you are frying. Put this on top so it eliminates 99% of the frying oil, because nobody wants to get fried, right? Especially that oil is just so hot. So this is by Birdcotch, so wanted to share this with you right now. And this is 13 inches in diameter. So the next product is also in the kitchen category, and this is by Popco, and these are silicone tongs. Now this is a 3-piece set, so you're going to get this larger size one, 11 inches, 9 inches, and 7 inches, and very easy to use. Let me show you the smaller one. All you have to do is unclip it, and then it unlocks. And then when you want to lock it, you just pull on this O-ring, and just like that. Now what's nice about this silicone is it's easy for you to hold and makes it slip resistant. Also makes it so you don't damage your Teflon or your cookware, because you just bought that stuff, you don't want to get it all scratched up. So this is nice protection. Also has these grips too, so it grips your food easily. Now the smaller one is great for appetizers, hors d'oeuvres, also ice tongs too. And the medium size one, this is great for pasta as well as flipping over bacon, even salads too. You don't necessarily have to have this in the heat. However, it is heat resistant as well. And look how nice this is. And then they also have this larger one. Now this is perfect for when you're, cooking in the oven and you want to be a little bit away from the flame, right? You don't want to stick your hand in there and get burned. So this longer one is great for that. Also great for the barbecue as well. And this is by Popco, stainless steel as well as silicone. And this is food grade silicone. Also very easy to put away. You can either put it in a drawer, or you can put it on an S-hook, and just like that, you can have them just like that. So really enjoy using it. Now the next item is by Benici, and this is a 3-piece cooking set. Now these are baking sheets. However, you do not need to use them for just baking. You can also use them for cookie sheets as well. And it also has these silicone handles on the sides. So this is what the small one looks like. And you can also remove these silicone handles so you can easily clean it. And also it's great for being heat resistant, and also very easy to put back on, just like this. And then you put it through the holes, and then you squeeze it on the front side. And just like that. Perfect. And that is how easy it is to use. You're going to get 3 of them. So you're going to get a small, medium, and large. So that is by Benici. Thank you, Benici, for being one of the sponsors of today's live stream. And another 3-piece set that I'd like to show you is by Home We, and that is going to be these cutting boards. Now what makes these cutting boards so unique is they're double-sided. So you're gonna see this side has grooves. Do you see those grooves? And then this side is flat. Now, what makes the grooves nice is when you're cutting tomatoes or something juicy like watermelons or cantaloupes. What usually happens? All the juice starts running off on the flat side of your cutting board. That's when you flip it over and you have this grooves where it's going to run off and accumulate. Much better. So you're going to get 3 pieces. Here's the small size, medium size, and large. And as you can see, it has handles, and look how slim they are. So you can easily put them away when you're done in your cabinet, either vertically or horizontally. So really like these, very easy, simple to use. Now the next item that I also would like to show you, and this is on deal right now, this is the kitchen gizmo. And you can use this on small pots like this, saucepans, or bigger ones. You can even use this on glass mixing bowls or wood bowls. And it doesn't necessarily have to be for a strainer, but you can definitely use this as a strainer for pasta or beans, or let's say you washed your fruit or vegetables like potatoes, and you don't want a big colander. You can just use this, wash it in here, rinse, and then have it strain out just like that. Now it's called the snap and strain because all you have to do is snap it on and then strain your food. Another nice feature is this is heat resistant, so you don't have to worry about having it on the flame. So you can have this on, wait for your items to boil, and then pour it out. You can see it is flexible. It's also machine washable too. I mean, not machine washable, dishwasher safe. And this is what the snaps look like. See how you can just snap it on? And you just snap it here, snap it there, voila. And as you can see, it is flexible, so it's gonna virtually take up no space in your kitchen cabinets or drawers even too, because it's so small. You know, the colanders are kind of rather large, so if you have a smaller kitchen, this is really ideal. Perfect for smaller apartments as well, or smaller kitchens. So this is really nice. Now the next item that I want to share with you is by Everlasting Comfort. And check this out. Right now this is on sale, and look at this soft, super luxurious throw blanket. As you can see, it's double-sided, so you have just the gray side, and then you have this multicolor where it has kind of like a white peeking through, and it is so nice. Let me show you how large it is. So very large and very squishy and soft. You will really like cuddling with this when you're watching TV or a movie, or just in bed too. So it's just nice, or even in your office. You know, sometimes you may be working and it gets a little cold, so you can just drape this over you and keep you nice and warm. So this is by Everlasting Comfort. Thank you for being one of the sponsors today. And very luxurious throw blanket. Now, another item that is on deal right now is by Beckham Hotel Collection. And this is for pillows. Now you're going to get 2 of each one. This is the queen size pillows. And look at this. It has, look how squishy it is. And it has a bounce back design. It's also double edge sewn throughout. So that's going to be a little bit more durable. Plus, it's also machine washable and dryable too. Really plus there, right? It also is a down alternative. So if you have allergies, this is fine for you because it's a down alternative. Inside are these fibers, which are infused with cool gel technology, which if you're a hot sleeper, you're going to appreciate because it's not going to get your hair as hot in your head. This also has 250 thread count cotton sateen cover. And it is, as I mentioned, machine washable and dryable too. Now this is what the queen size looks like. And now let me show you what the king size looks like. But let me show you first next to the king so you can see the king and the queen difference. Okay, so that's the difference of it, as you can see. So this is for the queen size and this is for the king size. Now the king size has the same exact amenities. It has the bounce back design. It's also machine washable and dryable, also double edge sewn, also very squishy, and definitely want to recommend these. We actually, you get a two-piece set. So my husband and I, we sleep with both because the other two, I want to have them, you know, for these live streams. But they're very comfortable. That's what we sleep with every night. The next item that I want to showcase is by Zober, and these are velvet hangers. Now, the reason why I like velvet hangers is because you have sometimes clothing that just falls off the hangers, right? This will grab it. It's also great for dresses or spaghetti strap tank tops. There's 2 notches here. And this is also a suit hanger. So you can add a jacket here and then pants or a skirt or shorts on the bottom. So it is space saving. And speaking of space saving, look how thin this is. Let me show you right here. You see how thin that is? So I've replaced all my normal plastic hangers with these skinny hangers because look at the size difference. Do you see that? So you can imagine the more that I kept taking these away and adding these, I just kept getting more and more closet space. So I really love these hangers, and also it is adjustable, removable right here. Not removable, but adjustable. So, you know, sometimes you put your clothes on and you have them all go one way, and all you have to do is twist it so you can put it the other way instead of taking your clothes off the hanger. And this is by Zober, also one of the sponsors of today's live stream. And the next item that I want to mention is right behind me, and it is this humidifier, which you're not able to see very well. Let me adjust a little bit. Okay, so there you go. So you see it in action. So look at how nice it is putting the humidity into the room. Plus, I added some drops of essential oil, cinnamon today, and it smells fantastic in here. I wish there was smell-o-vision so you can actually smell how good it smells in here. And it's really nice. They say cinnamon is good for bugs, but it also just is so nice. Peppermint is invigorating. You know, we have eucalyptus, we got lemon, so we got a lot of essential oils, and we just love using them. So, but you don't have to use them. You can just put water in, and it can adjust from 6 hours up to 10 hours, depending on the strength of the knob that you do. So here is low, and then there is high. So it's very powerful and a nice sleek design. Looks cute in your living room, in your family room, in your kitchen, or your office. Also great for bedrooms and nurseries too. So the next item that I want to showcase is by Drive Auto, and this is a trunk organizer. Now, if you have a car that you like to go to the grocery store with, or the beach, or the park, and this is an easy carry-all for you. For one thing, this is what it looks like, all compact, fits in just that side area, perfect. And all you have to do is open these toggles, and let me show you close up. So first I'm going to show you just halfway open so you can see what it looks like halfway, and then I'll show you full way. So if you want it even in your front seat of your car, your back seat, or your trunk too, this is how you open it up. So now this is what it looks like. Also has mesh compartments here. Here's one mesh compartment on this side, and here is 2 on this side. It also has pockets here in the front. So you have this pocket with a Velcro strap, and here you have a pocket also with a Velcro strap, but it's open. So this is what it looks like when it's halfway open. You can have this in the front seat of your car. You can also have these tie down, so you can have it in the front seat and wrap it around, so in case you are driving and you put on your brakes and you jerk forward, this is not going to fall. It'll stay in place. And now let me show you how easy it is to open it up. So you're going to use these toggles again, just like that. I'm going to open up this toggle. And as you can see, I'm doing it one-handed, so you're able to do it. And then when you open it up, this bottom area, you pull that down. And what that does is it makes it a bit more solid. And now look how big it is. Now you have 4 pockets on this side, 4 mesh pockets. And then this side, you have 2 mesh pockets. You know, perfect for putting magazines in or water bottles. And what's nice is you can also even have another compartment right here. Now this is perfect for if you are going to the grocery store. You can just put everything in your back seat or your trunk and everything's going to stay in place. Then you're going to grab it and take it to your home. One stop, come back, and you can always fill it up with other items. Now let me show you how easy it is to close it. You do this and you just reverse the steps, and then it just goes like an accordion, like that. Super simple. And then you put the toggle through and then through. Simple as that. So how's everybody doing today? Hope everybody is having a wonderful day. You know, it's almost fall. Didn't the year just fly by fast? I can't believe it. And there you go. It is all compact again. So very simple to do. Now, the next item that I want to showcase is going to be by This Works. And this is for your car. It comes with this case. It's a vacuum cleaner case. And here is the vacuum cleaner. It also comes with a 16-foot cord. So that's really nice. It just plugs into your cigarette lighter. And this is what it looks like. You have a button here to turn it on and off. And then to open it up, you push this and you open it up. I'm not going to do that today because sometimes I do use this and I don't want to get the dirt all over. It also has a filter right here in the middle, but it also comes with an extra filter right here. So after you use this, and it gets a lot dirty, but you should clean it with this little cleaning brush that they provided. And you can even rinse it under cold water. So after you want to put on the attachments, you can use it just like this or put on the attachments. So here is one of them, and this is what it looks like. And then there's also this one, which gets into all those tight crevices. And then there's also this one where it's a hose, and that way you can get that. Okay, so there it goes. And now it's a hose. Get into those harder reach areas. So this is by This Works, and it is also on sale right now. And they are also one of the sponsors of today's live stream. So how's everybody doing? Hopefully I was able to answer your questions. Please let me know if you want me to go over something again. And my name is Susie Valentine. Would really appreciate it if you click the follow button so you can see me live. Love to talk with you guys again. Hopefully you're having a wonderful Saturday, and I will see you all again soon. So thank you so much for being here, and have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.